Okwayo obuheereza obu kukorirwa hari Mokokoto Health Center ya Kashatu omuri Kasanda district erikukizayo kutaahirirwa endwara eya Ebola. Ibura ry'amaizi nimwe aha nshonga ezitwire nizitungwa mwaka kumu kuba nizireetaho endwara ya Ebola omu district egi.
We thank God that we were able to navigate it and we have a number of survivors in this district. So during that outbreak, one of the biggest challenges was the lack of safe water.
Amarwariro hamwe na sub-counties mushanju kandi omuri ezi harimu Makokoto, Obuseregenyu, Musozi, Kyansashwa, Narutuntu, Kijuna hamwe na Namabare hamwe n'ebyaro ebyetooriire amashaza aga.
Tumaze okufuna amazzi gano tuli basanyufu nnyo era ekyalo singa batubungisaako ne mu byalo tujja kubanga tuli basanyufu nnyo nnyo nnyo.
Okutongoza obuheereza obu kukurirwa omuhwezi wa RDC wa Kasanda district Fahira Mparanyibosa hamwe na director wa UNICEF mu Uganda Dr. Munir Safieldin hamwe n'abandi.
Abasawo beetaaga amazzi okukuuma obuyonjo n'abalwadde beetaaga amazzi ate era n'okusomesebwa okumanya nti amazzi gakola omulimu munene nnyo mu kutaasa endwadde. N'olwekyo tusiima badonaazi baffe ne tusiima n'aba UNICEF abatuusaako obuyambi buno batukoledde omulimu munene.
Development Director wa Bungereza mu Uganda Philip Smith hamwe na Director wa UNICEF mu Uganda bashoboriire obuheereza obubahiireyo omuri Kasanda district.
Kasanda was very much affected by the Ebola outbreak earlier this year, in fact in 2022. One of the prerequisites for an Ebola response is clean water. Over 40% of health centres in Uganda don't have access to fresh water, potable water. So it was really important for us in the British High Commission to ensure that we were providing water facilities, boreholes to support that immediate Ebola response.
Okay. The health facilities must have the very basic of water supply and sanitation in order for the medical teams to be able to wash their hands properly after examining every patient. In the lack of IPC, infection prevention control,
Gasha kwa Adrian Bale Bwanika.